Blogger lets you replace your default blogspot. Com address with a custom domain in 5 to 10 minutes. Steps: buy a domain, Namecheap, GoDaddy, Google Domains, etc. In Blogger dashboard, log in, select your blog, settings, publishing, custom domain. Enter your domain. Type www.yourdomain.com. Click Save. Blogger will show an error and give you two CNAME records: name, Chira host, www, target, ghs.googlehosted.com. Name, host, random string, for example, kvz34p9xhj22c. Target, gv, dv, googlehosted.com. Add DNS records at your registrar. Log in to your domain provider. DNS settings. Add the two CNAME records exactly as Blogger shows. Add 4A records, point naked domain, 216, 239, 32, 21, 216, 239, 34, 21, 216, 239, 36, 21, 216, 239, 38, 21. Back in Blogger, re-enter your domain, save, check, redirect naked domain to www. Save again.